Hello mga kakusina! Today's recipe, we're gonna make tuna pesto, and this is an original recipe of mine mga kakusina. I came up with this recipe dahil noong unang pasok ko dito sa Manila with a BPO company, ako po ay sumasideline sa pagtitinda ng pasta and sandwich meals. And itong pasta na to ang pinakamabilis sa kanilang lahat. Now, to make my tuna pesto, we're gonna cook first, of course, ang ating pasta. Pinili ko po ang Fusilli because the sauce is an olive oil based sauce. So, mas magandang itong klase ng pasta ang pipiliin ninyo. Now, 2 important tips when cooking your pasta. Never add oil to your boiling water. And cook your pasta for 7 to 8 minutes lang. Al dente po yan for sure. To make the tuna pesto sauce, gumagamit po ako ng isang lata ng Family's Brand Spanish-style sardines. Tinatanggal ko po yung tinik na nasa gitna mga kakusina. And 3 cans of Sundried tuna solid in vegetable oil. Ito lang po yung binibili kong premium label ng Sundried tuna because kung nakita nyo naman, siksik na siksik yung laman. Unlike their other labels, medyo masabaw po yun. So, para masulit po natin yung ating tuna, solid in vegetable oil po, premium red label ng Sundried tuna. Next, we have chopped sun-dried tomatoes and olive oil. Ito po ang magpapasarap sa ating sauce, mga kakusina. And then, we're gonna add a tablespoon of dried basil and 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Next, we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of granulated garlic and 1.5 tablespoons of onion powder. At this point, pwede ko nang i-on ng ating induction cooker to start cooking our sauce. Paghahalu-haluin lang po natin ito mga kakusina. Now, after a few minutes of cooking, I'm gonna add tomato paste. This is 1 sachet of rammed tomato paste. This would give a rich red color to our tuna pesto sauce. And of course, ang pinaka-importanting ingredient sa lahat, ang ating olive oil. This is an olive oil-based pasta sauce, so marami-rami ang kailangan natin dyan. All in all, gumamit po ako ng mahigit sa isang 250 ml na bote ng olive oil. Now, kapag malapit ng maluto ang ating sauce, you can season it with salt and freshly cracked black pepper according to your taste. Ang tip ko lang dito mga kakusina, when seasoning your tuna pesto sauce, medyo more on the salty side siya dahil kapag nilagay po ninyo yung pasta, for sure magme-mellow down yung saltiness niya, no? Medyo tatabang po ng konti. So ayaw po natin yon. Now, the longer that you cook your tuna pesto sauce, mas bold po yung flavor niya pero babantayan nyo lang po ito. And then you're ready to mix it in with your fusilli pasta. Now, to serve it, you can top it with freshly chopped parsley and grated Parmesan cheese. So there you have it mga kakusina, a recipe that is very close to my heart, my original pasta recipe of tuna pesto. Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo. See you again on the next recipe. Bye now!